Look at me being innovative. Look at you, Jessica. High five yourself. Hey beauties, it is your favorite girl, me, Jessica Nicole. And in today's video, I will be playing around with the new Amrezy palette. I was supposed to record this video as soon as I got the palette, but never got around to it. And then I was supposed to record it for last week's video, and I was sick as hell. And I got over whatever cold I had, and now I'm sick again, or I'm stuffy again. I don't know what's going on. Just pray for me. But anyway, I'm doing a look with this palette. Okay, y'all know I live for the color pink, and if you don't know that, now you know. Hello. So yeah, I live for the color pink. Secondly, I live for Amrezy. This is the look I got. If you want to see how I got my look, stay tuned. But before we get into this video, I want to shout out my gang. I love y'all so much. You guys have been tuning in since I started posting recently, and you guys have been making me feel so amazing. I'm so happy to be back. It feels so damn good, and I'm sorry I missed last week, but I promise I won't miss another week. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social medias, and I'll see you guys next week. Alright guys, so because we're wearing eyeshadow today, we're going to start off with eyes first. So first thing I'm going to do is just carve out my brows and conceal them out. I'm using my micro brow pencil in Java from Morphe, and I'm following with my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and I am using the color Caramel. Eyebrows are filled, so I'm just going to go ahead and do one eye off camera like I always do because I don't have anything planned. But I will be using my brand new Amrezy palette that I have not even like touched yet because I just couldn't. First of all, I love Amrezy. The two beauty influencers or beauty bloggers that I love is Jackie and Amrezy. I love Amrezy, one, because she's from my city, New York City. And two, she's raw, and I love that about her. And I love Jackie Anna because she's just everything. So I'm pretty sure by now you guys know what the palette looks like. So I'm gonna try to play around with the pink in the palette. I'll probably play around with the browns and the pink. I hope so. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna step off camera, see what I can make happen, and I'll be right back. And I hate touching this palette, all this glitter. This is what we got. I did a look on this eye first, and it just didn't work out, and I had to wipe it all off, so I decided to do everything on this eye. This one came out better. I did not want to do a cut crease at all. I honestly wanted like a blown out look, but it just wasn't working out. And I realized that this palette has a ton of shimmers, which is something I don't wear often. I like to wear mattes, and two, all of these shimmers have different finishes, so that's something I need to learn. But all in all, I got what I wanted to get done, and I think this eye is cute, and it still has that little pink look that I wanted. That's exactly why I pulled out this liner. So let's get this look on this eye. First things first, I'm going to prime. I'm using my L'Oreal Full Wear Concealer, and this is in the color Caramel. I'm going to take my M434 brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to tap this into my lid. Now, instead of me setting this like I usually do, I'm just going to tap this in until it feels a little matte, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my shadow on. So now that's mattified, I'm going to take my M514 brush, and I'm going to go into New Yorker. I'm just going to put this in the crease. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how I got this purple looking crease in a minute. I'm going to follow with OG with my M441. I'm just blowing out that color. This is just to make sure that whatever I'm doing on this side, it doesn't just look like one crazy thing going on. I'm going to take my M506. I'm going to go into, I think it's called šesma or šesma. I don't know. There's an accent mark. I wish I knew how to say it. But I'm going to go in with that. And I'm going to put this in my crease. So first I'm going to deepen my crease with this. so that the color shows up. Then I'm going to take my brush and go above my crease and literally just blow this color out as much as I possibly can. And it doesn't, I don't mind bringing it up high because the colors that I laid before already transitioned from my brow bone, so this will be just fine. Just make sure you go in with your transition shade brush and just, you know, blend out whatever's going on. It's going back in with that color, deepening up that purpley shade. Boom. Just blending that out again. I'm not adding anything to my brush. I'm literally just blending this out. Alright, so now I'm going to follow with my M506 and I'm going to go into the color Yugo and I'm going to deepen my crease with this. Now, Yugo in 1988, which I didn't use 1988 this go around, but I did use it before and I think that's what messed up my look. I wasn't expecting these colors to be as dark as they were, so it threw me off. But I'm going to go in with Yugo on my M507 and I'm going to deepen up my crease even more. Alright, so this is what we got so far. I'm going to go ahead and pick up my Morphe White Concealer. You guys seen me use this before. This is just to make whatever I have on my lid pop, which I really, after doing this look, I realized I didn't need it, but I'm just going to do it because I've done it before. M507 is like my favorite brush because it's pointed. So I'm going to go back in with Šesma. Again, guys, I'm sorry for the noise. My window's open and I can't close it because these lights are hot. I'm going to take my handy dandy brush. I love this brush so much. This is my M156. This is a dual ended brush. This is my favorite brush for my cut creases because I can get close to my crease and then fill my lid. So the thing that I hate about this color Anastasia that I'm using is that there's so much fallout, so much kickback. It got everywhere. So I had to be super careful getting like my line out on my lid because it was like getting in my crease, and you know, once shimmer gets in your crease, I'm gonna follow with this brush. It's an old BH Cosmetics brush. I haven't bought BH Cosmetics brushes in, oh my god, years. So I'm just gonna put that right where Anastasia and I think it's šesma, I don't know, wherever those two colors meet, so that I could transition between both colors. And I was dying to use this pink, but too much. And I'm just gonna follow with the first brush, I'll find it, and just blend Anastasia, and then go back in with my M507 and, you know, blend šesma so that all of it just looks like one big happy family. Is the eye so far. So now we're gonna go in with our liner so that our liner looks like this. Okay, so first I'm using the Balm Schming liner. I would love for the Balm to send me more, please, because I'm running out. For the pink line, I am using my Suva Beauty liner in Scrunchie. Of course, this is water activated. I'm going to use the Suva Beauty brush in 610 to make my liner. So, alright, I think I did better on this side, like I always do. And one more time with my M506, I'm going to pick up BK, Brooklyn Stand Up, and I am going to tap some of that black on the outside of my eye to blend that liner out and just to connect everything and make it look so nice. Alright, so eyes are done, so I'm just going to speed through the face because this is the same routine that I always do. Any questions, write in the comments down below. Watch me do my face. Okay, brows are filled, so I'm just gonna finish out the bottom of the eye. So I'm gonna use this eyeliner pencil, like gel pencil from Morphe and Lights Out. I'm gonna go in with BK, and I'm using this M213 brush. I'm just gonna smoke out that bottom lash line with the black. First of all, I love black liner because it makes my eyes look super brown. And I like the more smaller cat eye kind of look to my eye. And then I'm just gonna go back into that šesma color and just blend all of that underneath as well. I'm just using my 506. I usually would use like a under eye brush, but because this fits underneath the eye and I feel a little lazy, I'm just gonna use this brush. This is a little different, but I'm gonna go into the color Leo. Oh, that looks cute. That looks really cute. Okay. I went into Leo and I popped that in my inner corner. This is really cute. So pop of blue. Because of my eyes, I don't want to put too much bronzer on. I just want to bronze the skin a little bit to, you know, bring some warmth back to the skin. But as far as me like putting a lot on for like dimension or anything, I'm not going to do that today. Alright, so for highlight, I can't wear the Amrezy palette without wearing the Amrezy highlighter. That would be plain disrespectful. So I'm wearing my Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia. Honestly, they should have like put this back out when they came out with her palette because I want another one. So for the lips, I'm going to be using my Vibes pencil from Morphe, one of my favorite lip pencils. I'm going to follow with a liquid lipstick from Lime Crime and Prairie. This is a soft pink. Alright, and then I'm going to top it off with my new favorite gloss from Fenty Beauty. This is in Glass Slipper. This will be in my bag because I love her glosses. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just something quick to do. Also, I'm very stuffy, so I was trying to like get through the video as quick as possible. I just feel crazy. I can't breathe. It's just annoying the shit out of me. So yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.